Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. Today, this is kind of an impromptu video. I'm Texlaxing my hair, girl. So I decided that I'm gonna do it on camera. So those of you that are interested in maybe Texlaxing your hair or relaxing your hair, I don't know, maybe you'll get something out of this, but my hair is natural. And it's a long story. So I did a big chop. Actually, I transitioned my hair. Just so y'all know, my hair is fully natural. I just have an old silk press happening right now. But I transitioned out of relaxer for about a year and a half maybe. And I big chopped maybe 4 years ago, and I'll try to put some pictures on the screen if I can find them so you guys can see like how my hair was looking through these different stages. And since then I've been natural. So this is my hair, and I know right now it doesn't look bad, it's outside of it being dirty, but y'all, the longer my hair gets, the more I'm just over dealing with it. I've been thinking for like, I've been considering putting a relaxer in my hair for like a year, to be honest with y'all, because I just dread wash day. Like, it literally takes me at least a full day, sometimes two, if I like deep condition overnight or whatever. And then like the styling, and then it's like on top of that, I don't even wear my hair in its natural state most of the time. I've tried twist outs, I tried braid outs and all that. Half the time it works out, half the time it doesn't. So it's like I spent all this time and effort trying to do a style, and then it doesn't even turn out right. So then I gotta wash my hair again. Who has got the time? Yeah, my hair is really, really thick. It may not look that thick now because, like I said, it is straight and it's dirty and stringy. I've just gotten to the point where I'm done with my hair. Like, I'm sick of it. I'm tired of struggling with my hair just to say that I'm natural, and then I don't even wear it in its natural state. Like, what's the reason? Most of the time y'all see me when I'm wearing my actual hair, it's straight. It's like, what's the point in being natural if I'm not wearing my natural curl pattern, you know? I'm just tired of struggling with it. I have a lot going on in life right now. I am always studying. Obviously, I have my child, I have my fiance. We're looking for a house. We need to be planning a wedding. I work full-time as well. My son will be going back to school in less than a month. I just want convenience. For my hair to be taking like a full day away from me when I need to do it, I just don't have time for that. So we're going to be Texlaxing today. So what I'm using, y'all, is this ORS olive oil Texlax and stretch semi-straightening system. Now, I've never used this before. When I was previously relaxing my hair, I did use the ORS relaxers. I only used the normal relaxers, and they did not have this Texlax and stretch system. But when I was relaxing my hair, I was not relaxing it bone straight at all. And when I was going to my stylist, she would even ask me, is your hair natural? Because like, I still had a ton of texture in my hair while it was relaxed, to the point where it did kind of look natural. So I figured that this Texlax system should give me the look and the convenience that I'm going for, because like I said, I don't want my hair to be bone straight. I do still want some texture in it, and I feel like that's why my hair was so healthy and strong while I had the relaxer, because I did not smooth it in, and I also didn't leave it in as long as the instructions recommended. So that's why I still had all of the texture, and that's how I wanted it. Like I said, I did not want my hair to be bone straight. Again, I'm hoping that this is what this is going to give me. I've never used this system before, so I'm just gonna try it with y'all today and hope that my hair don't fall out. It shouldn't though, because I mean, I did dye my hair black a month ago, and I had my hair, y'all remember when I had my hair like biologed? So there was some bleach in it, but that was a whole year ago. So it comes with the cream base, the Color Q shampoo, the daily styling lotion, the oil, rice water, and electrolyte leave-in conditioner, and the replenishing conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and read these instructions really quickly. All right, y'all, so I read the instructions here that came in the box, and they're pretty much the same as a relaxer. The right side of my hair is actually a little bit thinner than the left side, so I'm gonna start on the left side of my head. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some Vaseline around my hairline. All right, here we go. So here's our cream base and the oil that we need to mix it with. We are all mixed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start applying. And I also have the second jar right here next to me, just in case I do run out and need to like quickly mix it up. I don't know why I'm scared, like I've never done this before, but it's been so long since I've applied one of these. Yeah, just like I remember, it's really hard to apply with gloves on. And I need to make sure I get this in my hair really quickly because it says 7 to 10 minutes. So it says to start in the back because that's where your hair is the coarsest. Now, if your hair is really coarse, is more coarse in the front, then yeah, start in the front. But wherever your hair is the most coarse, that's where you want to start applying first. And I'm only going to do my roots first, and then I'll go throughout the rest of my hair. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and come back once I have all of this applied because I'm not gonna be able to touch my phone, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I just washed all of that relaxer out of my hair. This is shampoo that you see in my hair. It says to like thoroughly shampoo your hair, and I wanna say it said to let the shampoo sit on here for at least 2 minutes. I'm gonna let mine sit on for 5 because I just wanna make sure that everything is completely washed out. I may even wash it a second time because I want to make sure there are no traces of that left in my hair. When I tell you I was frantically rinsing out that relaxer, hoping that my hair did not fall out into the sink, girl, I was scared. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I was scared just because I hadn't done it in so long. And you know the horror stories that you hear with relaxers. My hair does feel a lot, I want to say thinner, but it does. It doesn't feel as thick. It doesn't feel super thin like I put an actual relaxer in my hair. I'm holding right here because if I don't, my hair is like gonna flop over to the side. It feels a lot thinner, so I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like once I rinse out this shampoo and put some conditioner in it. I mean, there's still a possibility that my hair could like be in shambles afterward, but I think it'll be okay. It still feels fine, and I feel like it's gonna feel even better once I rinse out the shampoo. I can definitely see I still have some texture here, which I can appreciate because I did not want just all of my texture to be gone. So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this out, put my deep conditioner in. Maybe I'll put the deep conditioner in on camera just so you guys can see how my hair looks just with nothing in it. And then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I know I look a little bit crazy, but I just washed all of the shampoo out of my hair, and it came with this deep conditioner, but I purchased 2 of these because I love this deep conditioner so much. So I purchased 2 more of those because they sell them individually and they're only like $1.30. I am gonna put it on my ends first since that's the oldest and weakest part of my hair. Still tons of texture left in there, so I think I'm good. I think I'm good. As you can see, my hair still is very thick. This is exactly what I remember my hair. Honestly, it's a little bit thicker than what my hair was when I was relaxed, and I can tell that I did this side of my hair second because I still have like a bunch of poofiness over here. And that's okay because I did not want to damage the side of my hair that is already thinner to begin with. So I'm perfectly fine that this side looks like that. All right, this is how it's looking with my deep conditioner in it. As you can see, these front pieces, like I really just need to cut those off, and eventually I will because those were super heat damaged before I even did anything to it. So deep conditioner is all in. I'm just going to twist this up, and I'm actually going to leave this deep conditioner in my hair overnight because that's what I like to do, just to make sure my hair is just like really soaking it up, and that's what works best for me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, I am back. My hair is fully dry. I actually decided to put it up in this ponytail. I was thinking about wearing it in a bun, but obviously I can't show you guys the texture of it if it's in a bun. So I didn't want to wear it down. I don't know, I just didn't want to. It's hot outside, and A ponytail is just more fitting for me. It's carefree, it is cute, it's easy. And this is how my hair turned out after the ORS Texlax. As you guys can see, I still have plenty of texture in my hair. I still have thickness in my hair. Now I can't say my ends are a little bit thin, but my ends were already kind of thin before I did this, so it was not the Texlax that made it this way. And yeah, this side actually turned out, my right side actually turned out a little bit thicker than I intended for it to, because remember when I told you guys when I was applying it, I applied it to my right side last, just because I know the right side of my hair is thinner than the left side, and I didn't want it to be like super duper thin if I applied it to the right side first. So I ended up having like more thickness in the right side of my hair now instead of the left sides. I do still have texture in my roots, so I'll get a little closer so you guys can see, like, my hair is not even close to being bone straight. I will say what I enjoy the most is that my baby hairs now will lay down so much easier. I don't have to use gel, I don't have to use a pomade. I can literally just lay my baby hairs down with water if I want to, and they will stay. Today I used a little bit of mousse, just a little bit, and they've stayed like this all day. Like, they're not trying to curl up, they're not trying to frizz up, and overall I just enjoy my hair being a little bit less maintenance. I love that for me. Now what I will say is that my hair definitely needs a protein treatment now. It wasn't breaking off or anything, but I know my hair. I know when it needs moisture versus when it needs protein. It feels very moisturized, but it feels like it needs strengthening. So I'm definitely going to do a protein treatment within the next couple of days. I'm thinking about using Afrogy because that is the brand that I would use for like my protein treatments when I was Texlax years ago. And I loved that. Like, it worked so well for me. My hair was super duper healthy, super strong. I never had any problems with it. If you guys are interested in like maintenance for Texlax hair, let me know down below in the comments, and I would love to do like a video on how I maintain my Texlax hair for y'all. I don't too much do like my actual hair videos on here, so yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then yeah, just let me know down below in the comments. So like, this is a great option if you're looking for something to keep the texture in your hair, but just make it a little bit easier to maintain, a little bit easier to do. I would recommend it if that's what you're looking for. Now, I know that everybody don't want to do that, and that's fine. Yeah, if you guys have any questions at all about ORS Texlax system, then feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that I can for you guys. I think that's it. That's all I have to say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time a new video goes up on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.